Hello, and to this video. Today we're looking at quizzes. So it's been a while since I've had a look at quizzes. So we're going to go to create. And then I'm going to look at the AI function. So click on that. Now I've done a video before on using the convert URL to a quiz. So if you click on the banner in the top right hand corner, you can access that video. Today I thought we'd look at the upload a document feature. So I'm going to choose upload a document. And then I'm going to upload from my device. So I could add a topic prompt or paste some text in there, as it says up to 10,000 characters, but I'm going to upload from a device. And you've also got the option to import from Google Drive as well. So I'm going to click upload from device. I'm going to navigate to a lesson that I delivered with some trainee teachers and click open. Now you could do any link from the web as well. So it's going to wait for that to upload. I can then select the grade, so we can choose what grade. So we'll go with, and then we can choose the subject. Now you can have it so you can allow the students to read the document while answering. You can tick that selection there. I'm going to leave that off for the moment, and I'm going to click generate questions. And you can select your document type. So a question bank, my document already has questions, I want AI to extract them. A learning material, my document has information, I want AI to generate questions. So mine's learning material. And then I'm going to click generate questions. And there we have it. So it's got worksheet import suggestions. So the first one, multiple choice, and it's very correctly identified that computing was not part of one. So that's correct, but the others were. I've got a section on 6 C's, so it's picked that up and it's got a question there. Obviously I can edit that. I can ask AI to help specifically with that one. So I could translate to, I could add an answer explanation, I could replace with a similar question, or I could fix a grammatical error, which is really useful. And you can see there we are, we've got a whole host of multiple choice questions linked to my presentation. So it's a really useful way of creating a quiz. You can go in and edit each question if you need to. I could then ask it to add some similar questions. So I'm going to click add similar questions. And then I can look which of those do I want, and I can choose to remove those, or I can save changes. So I'm going to save changes. It's added 3 new questions. So as a starter for 10, to get rid of that whole blank sheet, I think this is a really useful function. It's a great way to take an existing teaching resource that you've got and turn it into a quiz. So there you have it, a quick look at the document upload feature and QuizizzAI. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.